smoke is a mixture of very fine particles and gas. Many of the substances in the welding smoke, such as chromium, nickel, arsenic, asbestos, manganese, silica, beryllium, cadmium, nitrogen oxide, fluorine compound, carbon monoxide, cobalt, copper, lead, ozone, selenium, and zinc can be extremely toxic.
The net hazard in welding is heat. The intense of heat of welding and spark can cause burn. Eye injuries have result from the contact with the hot slag, metal chip, and hot electrode. Excessive exposure to the heat can result in heat stress or heat stroke. The net hazard in welding is UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation, infrared radiation, and visible light. Okay, when we doing welding, the intensity of light associated to the retina of the eyes, while infrared radiation will damage the cornea and result the cataract, formation of cataract in the eyes. Hazard in welding is noise. Exposure to the loud noise can damage the hearing of the welder. Noise can increase the blood pressure and may contribute to the heart disease. The net hazard in welding is electrical hazard. Even though welding use low voltage, but the environment condition of the welder, such as wet condition, can make the welder high risk to the electrical shock. So when you are in a wet condition, please do not touch this plug because it may cause a shock, electrical shock.
Fire and explosion hazard. The intense heat and spark produced by welding or welding flame can cause fire or explosion if combustible or flammable material are nearby. Welding or cutting should be performed only in areas that are free of combustible material, including trash, wood, paper, textile, plastic, chemical and flammable dust, liquid and gas. Those that cannot be removed should be covered with tight-fitting flame-resistant
In welding is dangerous machinery. All part of moving object from this machine must be guarded to prevent any hand or clothes from getting caught when operating the machine. When preparing this machine by the welding or brazing, this power must be disconnected, lock out or tag, so the machinery cannot be set at The net hazard in welding is trip and fall. To prevent trip and fall occur during the welding, we need to make sure all the welding area is clean.
About risk of welding. First, electric shock. Electric shock is one of the most serious and deadly risks facing a welding. Electric shock can lead to injured or death. The shock occurs when the welder touches two metal objects that have a volcano between them. Then usually inserting themselves onto the electrical circuit. Each worker hold a pair of wire in one hand and the second bear with others. Electric will and electrical short. And the second list is fume and the gas. It is not surprised that overexposed to welding fume and gas can be hazardous to your health. Welding fume contain potentially harmful rocket metal or oxide and compound of the consumer. The specific potential health effect which relate to the welding consumer product being used can be found in the health hazard. And for the third risk is fire and explosion. The welding are carried at extreme temperature and may pose a significant fire and explosion hazard if safety are not followed. While the welding are may reach temperature of 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, that a real danger is not from art itself. To prevent fires, before beginning the welding, inspect the work area for any flammable material and remove them for the area and eventually as such as wood, cardboard, paper, gas, including acetate, propane or hydrogen.
My name is Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Sabri. I will explain about risk of welding. The next risk of hazard is about radiation. Radiation is the intense light associated with arc welding can cause damage to the retina of the eyes, while infrared radiation may damage the cornea and result in the formation of cataract. Invisible ultraviolet light (UV) from the arc can cause arc eyes or welder's flash. After even a brief exposure less than 1 minute, the symptoms of the arc eyes usually occur many hours after exposure to UV light and include a feeling of sense or grip in the eyes, blurred vision, intense pain, tearing, burning, and headache. That picture is example of risk from the radiation. You can see the hand of the man was sparked when he not wearing a glove when he's wedding. Then under the picture that the man was not wearing a mask when he's doing the wedding. In addition, risk of the wedding also about heat. Heat the intense heat of wedding and spark can cause burn. Eyes injured have a result from the contact with hot lead, metal chip spark and hot electrodes. In addition, excessive exposure to heat can result in the heat stress or heat stroke. Welders should be aware of the symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, loss of appetite, nausea, abdominal pain, and irritability. Ventilation, shielding, rest breath, and staying hydrated will protect against heat-related hazards. Dangerous machinery. All the machine with a moving part must be guarded to prevent worker hair, finger, 19 from the getting caught. When repairing machinery by welding or brazing, power must be disconnected, locked out, and tagged so that the machinery cannot start up accidentally. For the example is the man, his hand was flattened or in the machine when he tried to repairing the machine. This is because he not undisconnected the machine before trying to repair that. Then we also can see that man, his eye was close to the end of the equipment machines. Okay, we also can see the man, or we can hazard because the spark of the welding, the risk is a trip and a falls. To prevent trip and falls, keep welding area clear of equipment, machine, cables, and hoses, and use safety line of rails. For example of all, when we see a boat money, we must inside in myself. We must more be careful in the lab or anywhere we walk because the book warning have told us we must to beware of hazards.
In the lab welding. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is the arc welding. This is this machineries. Okay, when want to start the process of the arc welding. Okay, we have to welding to this workpiece. Okay, when the electrode point to the workpiece, it will spark. So the hazard is we can get minor burn and the eyes also get injured. So to shield our body, we have to wear this glove, welding glove. Okay, let me wear it. Okay, this is a welding glove. Okay, and your body also have to shield it with this apron, welding apron. Okay, to protect our eyes from get injured, we have to wear the face protector. This protector is help your eyes from get burned. Okay.
when we want to start the welding, we have to make sure this eye of the face mesh is closed. Okay. After the welding done, okay, we have to open it. After the processing of the welding, we have to clear this slack at the area of the welding. Okay, you see the slack. Okay, to clear it, we have to uh, wear this glove welding to protect our hand that can get burned. So wear the glove. Take your workpiece and to clear all the slack here and waste. For the safety precaution, the first aid kit must be available all the lab because when something happen, accident happen suddenly, we can treat first with the first aid kit. Okay, after finish the processing of the welding, the slag or waste, you have to put it on the waste area like this. This is to make sure the environment of the lab is safe and clear. For prevention of fire and explosion in the lab welding, welding should be performed in area free of combustible materials such as trash, wood, paper, textile, plastic, chemical and flammable dust, liquid and gas. Fire extinguisher should be nearby of proper size, type and for the hazard involved.